So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and most of you are asking about the Google Cloud Labs 2026, the challenge which I posted where you can just visit the Google office and learn about cloud computing, get free food. Now here is a quick update from the team that the registrations are facing some issues. Like when you register, you will be able to register, but as per the internal team update, the registration slots have been full. So either if you register, you will be in waiting list and you'll be notified if you are eligible to visit the office. By registering in this event, you cannot visit the office directly. You'll be getting a confirmation email which will contain a unique token or ticket which you have to show to the security guard so that you can enter the office. Okay, you cannot directly register and show the confirmation email directly. You'll be getting a pass for it, and currently as per the update, most of the people are reporting internally that the passes have been out of stock, means you will be in waiting list. And if they update any update, means if they update the slots, then I will surely make you a new video. And as of now, participating in this video, means in this challenge, is rare and very less, so you can just avoid and you can simply register it. If you have a good luck, you'll be notified via email that you can surely take part in this event. So this was a quick update I wanted to share because most of you are asking about it. So thank you guys, have a great day ahead. Do like the video and subscribe the channel.